Hey guys, this is Hallie, and I'm here from Santa Barbara, California to help intern at eKyss over the summer. I'm working with the content development team, and I'm gonna go grab some ice cream for everyone at the local mart because it's really hot and humid today.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
A lot of them are on sale, the ones with the red tags. There's more here. I used to eat this one a lot when I was little. And these are all the cone type. Okay, these kinds are called jujube, so we're just gonna pick out a few for everyone to try. Make sure to close it. Okay, here's a lot of the cone ones. Now we're gonna get, I think I want to get Together. It's like a classic vanilla ice cream, but now they also have the strawberry kind too. Now we're back at the office and we're gonna try a few of the ones that we bought. This one is called Kejiba, and it basically translates to pig bar, and there's like a picture of a pig inside. It's really similar to this strawberry shortcake bar that I would get from the ice cream truck every time it would come to our neighborhood. So it like brings back some childhood memories. Now I'm just gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. It's like covered in like a chocolate crumb, and then there's just vanilla ice cream and then a strawberry jam inside. So I'll just try a bite first. It's really good and it's not too sweet. So it's like a perfect treat to cool me down over the summer. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. Oh, it's the same brand, same bar, but then now they made one with chocolate inside instead. So this is my first time trying this one. It looks slightly different, but I think the original will be better. It tastes almost the same, but just chocolate on the inside. I like that one a lot. I actually like it a little bit better. It kind of tastes like an Oreo ice cream. Next we have World Cone. This is like, I think this is one of Korea's first like cone-shaped ice cream, but I would say it's really similar to the drumsticks that we have in the US. You just peel it open by the instructions. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna try a bite. It's just a vanilla ice cream with a chocolate swirl and then some peanuts on top. It's so hot that it already melted while we were on our way back. But I really like this one. It's like a classic, so you can never go wrong if you don't know what to choose. Okay, I've had enough of the chocolate now, so I want something really refreshing. This one's called jujube. Actually, they call all kinds of ice cream that are in like a tube is called jujube because you have to kind of like slurp on it. This one is muscat flavored or grape flavored, and like this is one of my favorite Korean like flavors. Ta-da! This doesn't really look like any other ice cream that I'm used to, and I only see it when I come to Korea. It's a little hard to open at first, but you have to take the top and then... Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's a little melted, so it's hard to, you open it by just snapping it, but it already melted on our way back, so we are going to use scissors instead. Let's try it. It's super refreshing, and it doesn't taste like artificial grape. It tastes like a real green grape. This is just what I needed right now. The last one we chose is called Together. This is just your classic vanilla pint, but it's a household favorite and it's probably the #1 best-selling one in Korea. It's a little too big for me to have on my own, so we're gonna share it at the office with everyone.